Right, here we go then. More Amiga bangers. This time, 8-bit rave stuff done on Octomed 4. So, let's have a look at some of the samples first. Had this string here that goes like this. Also had this bass. Got an aiming break here that I found on a disc that I used when I was 13 years old. A wicked little acid shot. Again, these are going through the compressor, split into 2 channels, 1 and 4, 2 and 3. Additional phases and delays, EQ off the desk to just give the Amiga some life. And the compression really picks it up. A few vocal bits. Hi-hat. Got this break here that's got a lot of sparkle on the top for the Amiga, which really layers well with an aiming. Something that's quite hard to get out of the Amiga, a little like kind of clean sound. And also this sample here. Old school break. Another string here to accompany the other one. That's looped as well. Bass drum. Anyway, here we go. More Amiga bangers.